So my name is Venkat Bala, and currently I'm a doctoral student, a PhD student in the Department of Applied Mathematics, and also pursuing a collaborative program in scientific computing. I was looking through a lot of different universities. I did extensive research, and I hit upon Western University. And I looked onto the Applied Mathematics website because that's the program I wanted to do in my grad school. And I found the research, all the different faculty that's been doing in this department, plus the state-of-the-art research facilities like the supercomputing clusters that Western actually has and close access to. That was, when I came to know, when I learned about all those, I mean, that was a no-brainer for me. I knew I was coming to Western, and then the kind of research the profs are doing over here, that was just a plus point. Yeah. My research, my day-to-day research involves actually doing a lot of molecular dynamic simulations of nano-sized particles in fluids, interacting particles in fluids. And to do that, that's where the scientific collaboration program comes in, is the fact that I actually use the state-of-the-art Canada's high-performance supercomputing clusters that our research group has access to do all those simulations. So the community, the professors were really supportive, not only your own professors, but I mean, if you actually have doubt when you're doing your work, I mean, you see that, okay, you're stuck on this one problem that it's not in your field of expertise. I mean, you can always go and knock on the doors of other professors who are actually in that department, and they would be very, very glad to help. The ability that Western allows its students to maintain a good balance between social and work life. I mean, it does not completely encourage that. I mean, the atmosphere that it provides, it's not completely that, okay, you have to completely forget about your academics and just go have fun. It's absolutely not that, which even though is an integral part, because you need to have a good balance between social and work culture. But the way the program is set up, the way programs get set up, there are set deadlines that it requires all its graduate students to meet, and that sort of keeps you in check. So I mean, that's the way it allows you to well balance between your social life as well as your work life, and then you can make progress on equal fronts on both, and still on a timely manner. Be really passionate about programming, be really passionate about high performance computing, and be passionate about science. I mean, that's, I guess, that's the three pieces of advice that I would really like to give someone who's looking or even considering to come into this program.